As we gear up for the 2025-2026 budget reading on June 12th, it's vital to reflect on Kenya's fiscal trajectory. Hi, my name is Gladys Kamau, a tax and legal associate at Deloitte Kenya, and I will be taking you through Kenya's fiscal journey. Over the past decade, Kenya's national budget has grown steadily from around 1.8 trillion Kenya shillings in 2014-2015 to a proposed 4 trillion Kenya shillings for the financial year 2025-2026. This growth reflects ambitious development agendas, devolution financing, debt financing, and rising public service demands. Yet, with this growth comes an all too familiar challenge: how to raise enough revenue to foot the bills. Over the years, collections by the Kenya Revenue Authority have improved, but the pace hasn't always kept up with the country's growing fiscal appetite. Despite reforms and enhanced enforcement, our tax to GDP ratio, which currently sits at around 14%, continues to hover below the desired target of 20% as per the medium-term revenue strategy. This signals the need for smarter, more sustainable strategies to broaden the tax base and boost compliance. Looking at the Finance Bill 2025, there is notable effort to minimize tax expenditure by scrapping off tax incentives such as repeal of the preferential tax rates for local motor vehicle assemblers and those engaged in construction of at least 100 residential units. However, Kenyans are eager for a budget that promotes inclusive growth while easing the cost of living. Key expectations include targeted incentives for MSMEs and manufacturing, fiscal consolidation, rationalized public spending, more investment in agriculture and supporting infrastructure, and a fair, transparent, and predictable tax environment that promotes investor confidence. A deliberate focus on youth employment, social safety nets, and debt sustainability will also be very crucial. Here at Deloitte, we remain committed to helping clients navigate the evolving fiscal landscape. As the budget is unveiled, we look forward to practical, balanced budget proposals that align with Kenya's long-term economic resilience and prosperity. Because every policy shapes the country's tomorrow.